The following information that we are going to share with you is purely in our opinion. As we look on the internet, there are companies that are involved in the same sector that Mr. Ash Mufareh's New Direction company now occupies. Mr. Ash Mufareh has never been a follower in other companies' technologies and trying to duplicate being average. He is an astute observer, always looking out for the benefit of humanity. As of this moment, his New Direction company is formulating advanced technology, digital products and solutions that will totally revolutionize anything that's on the internet. It would do him not a shred of good to come out with something inferior to what is thriving on the internet. But when he does come out with his New Direction company, it will be levels, multiple levels above any other company that's on the internet now. Founders and affiliates, we are in a pristine position. We are on the threshold of becoming history makers. What are some of the technologies that are thriving on the internet now? One of the most profitable and most important industries is the e-learning industry. Mr. Mufareh's former company had an e-learning platform. In our opinion, why would he not have one in his New Direction company? The e-learning. The industry is almost 1 trillion industry per year. Why would Mr. Mufareh not have an e-learning platform in his New Direction company? In our opinion, we'll have an e-learning platform. How do you educate the masses without discriminating against anyone who might not be able to afford this kind of technology? His e-learning platform, in our opinion, will be greater than any e-learning platform that is being used on the internet with other companies. The mind-boggling thing about his e-learning platform is that it's going to cost a lot less. It will attract the common people who can take advantage of it. See, this is uplifting humanity and not just 1% of humanity. This system can reach humanity, but it cannot power itself. It has to have a vehicle that will power the e-learning platform. Remember, people are affected by what they see, then hear, then feel. The video conferencing. Technology is the vehicle by which Mr. Ash Mufareh is going to power his e-learning platform to reach the masses of humanity, in our opinion. And looking back at the former company that Mr. Ash Mufareh started, he had a video conferencing platform ready to be connected to the e-learning platform. But now, in our opinion, the New Direction company is also going to have a video conferencing platform that will be more advanced and more powerful platform hooked up to be able to power the e-learning platform to be able to reach humanity. And the ones who are going to be instrumental are those who are educators being able to apply their knowledge to be able to reach humanity without ever worrying about is it too much money for the recipients. So while we sit back and wait for Mr. Ash Mufareh's New Direction company, and he and his technology team are relentlessly marching us to our dream company, let's be thankful. In our opinion, we've just gone over 2 things. Why wouldn't the New Direction company thrive in a video conferencing space and an e-learning space and be able to operate? Where each of those technologies are levels and levels above anything now existing on the internet. That space will not be vacant when Mr. Ash Mufareh's New Direction company, in our opinion, is open to the world. It's a massive job to be able to do that. But Mr. Ash Mufareh and his technology team are doing that right now, but we can't see it. Remember, in our opinion, John White and Bill Must, we have never ever been too far off in our opinion about what Mr. Mufareh and his technology team were doing. So while we wait patiently, the ones who are patient waiters will be massive income makers because of Mr. Mufareh. Is an astute observer, not only of humanity, but his knowledge outpaces any other technology CEO on the planet. In our opinion, we have just talked about 2 of the original products. We have not even talked about the many other digital products and solutions that we didn't even mention. He never stops working to bring the absolutely best to his founders and affiliates and to humanity. We're just below the first level. There are many other levels, many other things that are brewing that will completely change technology in the most beneficial way to reach humanity.